Hello my lovelies, let's start our second part in lesson 3 talking about the heart of the matter. So what is the heart? The heart is shaped like your fist. It pumps the blood around your body. When the heart muscle contracts, it squeezes the blood inside the heart. This squeezing creates a pressure that pushes the blood through the body. The right side of the heart pumps the oxygen with the blood to the lungs, and the left side of the heart pumps the oxygen rich with the blood to the body. So we have the right side and the left side. The right side pump the oxygen poor with blood, and the left side pump the oxygen reach the blood. And then each side of the heart have an upper and lower chamber. We have a lower chamber. The upper chamber called atrium and the lower chamber called ventricle. So the upper called atrium and the lower called ventricle. The blood enters the atria and pump to the ventricle after passing through the valves that keep the blood from moving backward in the heart. So this is a diagram of the heart. On the left and the right, we have a right atrium, a right ventricle, and also we have a left atrium, left ventricle. Also, the left is it consists or carry the oxygen rich with the blood, so its color is red, and the other time blue, which carry the oxygen poor. And also in the upper part we have the aorta. Then let's talking about the blood. Is a type of a connective tissue that contains the cells, the fluid, and other material. The blood travels through the body through a tube called the blood vessel. The blood vessel it's the part of the cardiovascular system. And then the three types of the blood vessels are arteries, capillaries, and veins. So the three types of blood capillaries are what? Arteries, capillaries, and veins. The fluid part of the blood is a plasma, which is a mixture of water, minerals, nutrients, sugar, protein. This fluid also carries the waste, the red blood cells, white blood cells, and the platelets. So what is the platelets? Are a very tiny pieces of larger cell found in the bone marrow. When you cut your skin, you bleed because the blood vessels have been cut open. So the platelets begin to clump together to form the blood clot to reduce the blood loss. After that, the white blood cell in the blood fight the pathogenesis, bacteria, viruses, and keep you healthy. The red blood cells are a disc-shaped cell that don't have the nucleus. The red blood cells don't have the nucleus. They bring the oxygen to every cell in the body. Each red blood cell has a protein. This protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an oxygen-carrying protein. It clangs the oxygen molecules when you inhale. This is a diagram of the blood. It consists of the red blood cells, plasma, platelets, and white blood cells. This is the shape of the blood circulation from the lungs to the heart. How the blood moves. And also this is the venules, arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries, capillaries, and veins.